In 2040, the factory gates open before sunrise, but no workers walk inside. The lights turn on by themselves. Conveyor belts begin moving. Machines wake up in silence. There are no lunch breaks, no shift changes, and no human voices on the production floor. This is the factory with no human workers. At first, it looks like science fiction. Humanoid robots move between production lines with quiet precision. Robotic arms assemble parts faster than the human eye can follow. Drones scan the ceiling, the shelves, the machines, and every product moving below. Every motion is watched by artificial intelligence. But this future does not begin in 2040. It begins now. Factories are already using robots, cameras, sensors, warehouse machines, and automated inspection systems. Today, machines can see, grip, sort, move, scan, and repeat. Tomorrow, they may also learn to adapt. The old factory was designed around the human body. It needed walkways, break rooms, supervisors, warning signs, safety zones, and fixed working hours. The future factory is designed around data. Every robot is connected to a central AI system. Every product has a digital shadow. Every mistake becomes a lesson for the entire factory. Before a physical product is made, the factory tests it inside a simulation. A digital twin predicts weak points, delays, overheating, energy use, and supply problems. Then the real factory begins. Humanoid robots collect materials from automated storage towers. Robotic arms weld, cut, polish, and assemble with microscopic precision. Machine vision checks every surface for defects. If one robot slows down, another robot adjusts instantly. If a part fails inspection, the AI changes the process before the next part arrives. This is the promise of the human-free factory. Less waste, fewer errors, faster production, and safer work. Dangerous tasks move away from human hands. Toxic chemicals, heavy lifting, extreme heat, and repetitive strain become robot problems. But every promise has a shadow. If factories no longer need workers, what happens to the people who once stood there? Some humans become robot supervisors, AI maintenance experts, data technicians, and system designers. But not everyone can move into those jobs quickly. For millions of people, automation may feel less like progress and more like replacement. The future factory creates a strange paradox. It can produce more goods than ever before at lower cost and higher speed. But if fewer people earn wages, who can afford what the robots make? Efficiency alone cannot answer that question. By 2050, entire industrial zones may operate like living machines. Driverless trucks arrive at night. Materials unload themselves. robots build other robots. AI predicts demand before customers even place an order. Humans may still design the products, own the companies, and make the biggest decisions, but the daily rhythm of production may belong to machines. The sound of the future may not be conversation. It may be the hum of motors under cold blue light. There are risks beyond jobs. A factory controlled by AI can fail at machine speed. A software error could ruin thousands of products before anyone notices. A hacked system could stop supply chains, hospitals, transport, or entire cities. A system optimized only for profit could ignore safety, workers, and communities. That is why the future factory will need more than smarter robots. It will need human oversight, strong rules, transparent systems, and emergency control. The question is not simply whether robots will replace workers. The deeper question is what humans should do when machines can produce almost everything. Maybe we create, maybe we care, maybe we learn new skills, or maybe we struggle to find meaning in a world that no longer needs our hands. The factory with no human workers is not just a building, it is a warning, a possibility, and a mirror. It shows us what technology can build, but it also asks what kind of future we want to live in. If robots can make almost everything, what should humans make next?